Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make my Bulgur Wheat Porridge. And if you're not familiar with Bulgur Wheat, let me show you. It's a wheat grain. So what you want to do is add some to your bowl. You don't need a lot because once you add the water, it plumps up. So let's give it a rinse. All right. Now I've given it 2 rinse. So what I'm going to do now is pour some water. Just enough water. And what's gonna happen is your wheat is going to absorb all of this water. So it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna plump up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lid on and allow this to sit overnight because I'm gonna use this on tomorrow. But you can allow it just to sit for about, I would say 3 to 4 hours. Okay. So once I'm ready to use it, I'll come back and show you what I do with it. To a pot, you're going to add some water. And to my water, I'm going to add a lime skin, some cinnamon sticks, and then I have some of these, I'm going to add some of these in. Okay. And I just wanted to show you how the bulgur wheat looks once it absorbs all of the liquid. Okay. I'm not going to use the whole thing. Okay. I'm going to use the rest of it to make another dish. Okay. On another day. So we're going to just add just a little bit. That should be more than enough because it's only for myself and my husband. Okay. And make sure you add enough water because you're going to allow this to cook, you know, until all the liquid, or the majority of the liquid evaporates. I mean, there's 101 ways to do this. This is how I do it. I mean, you can substitute the water for milk, but I'm doing it a little different because I'm not going to use milk in this porridge, okay? I'm going to show you for those who don't those who don't drink milk, I'll give you another alternative. Okay, as you can see, it cooked down. You can add your evaporated milk, but I'm not going to use evaporated milk because I'm giving dairy a break. So I'm going to use almond milk, the unsweetened almond milk. It tastes just the same in my opinion. And I'm gonna add just a little bit more, and then we're going to allow this to cook for maybe 5 more minutes. Okay, I'm gonna let the milk reduce, just not the milk, but the almond milk reduce just a little bit, and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, all right, this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove the skin of our lime, the cinnamon stick, and the star anise. Okay. And then we're going to blend this. I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to blend. So I'm not going to show you while I'm blending it, but I'm going to go ahead and blend it. All right, I've already blended our wheat. So now I'm going to go ahead and strain it. And straining it is optional. Okay, if you want a smoother consistency, then strain it. If you don't mind, you know, the wheat in there, then go ahead and just add it back to your pot. Okay, I do it both ways. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to strain it. And once I'm done, I'll come back and show you. All right, I'm done straining it. All right, I'm all done. This is, you know, the residue. I mean, if you want, like I said, you can leave it in there. I mean, it's not a big issue because when we make bulgur wheat with beans, we eat it. So this is edible, all right? But just for the sake of the porridge, we want it to be nice and smooth. So we're gonna discard this. All right, now what I'm going to add is some sugar. And you make it as sweet as you want. I'm using sugar cane, or you can use brown sugar. I'm also gonna add a pinch of salt like that. We're gonna add nutmeg. We already allowed it to cook in the cinnamon stick, but I'm still gonna add just a little bit more cinnamon. This time it's a little cinnamon powder, like that. And I like to add coconut milk, okay? So we're gonna add just a little bit of coconut milk. We're gonna add some butter, and then I'm gonna stir, and we're gonna allow this to, see how nice and smooth this is? So we're gonna allow this to cook for maybe about a couple more minutes because it's already cooked, but because we add, you know, the butter and all the other stuff in here, we want to make sure, you know, we give it a chance to marry. All right, guys, here is our fabulous, fabulous, fabulous wheat porridge. It is absolutely delicious. For those who do not drink milk, you're trying to avoid dairy, a good substitute is the almond milk. It tastes just the same. And I know you guys are going to ask me, which almond milk am I using? This is the one here. I love it because it only had 2 ingredients in it. It has filtered water and almond. And it is nice and thick. Absolutely fabulous, guys. Until next time, like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. Delicious.